Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Imran and today I am going to tell you about 4 language skills. Let's start. 4 language skills of English. There are 4 language skills in English language. These are listening, speaking, reading and writing. Types of language skills. There are 2 types of language skills. These are receptive or input skills and productive or output skills. As I have told you, there are 4 language skills. 2 skills are included in input skills, while 2 skills are included in output skills. Reading and listening are included in receptive skills. On the other hand, writing and speaking are included in productive skills. To revise 4 language skills. 4 language skills are listening, speaking, reading and writing. Listening and reading are receptive or input skills, while speaking and writing are productive or output skills. Receptive means that in listening and reading we receive some data. On the other hand, in the case of speaking and writing, we produce some information. That's why they are productive or output skills. There is an other relation between these skills. Take an example of a child. When a child borns, he starts listening. Gradually, when he grows up, he starts speaking. Same is the case with reading and writing. First, we start reading and then we start writing. It means that if you listen, then you speak. In the same way, if you read, then you write. If you want to improve your speaking skills, then you should listen more and more. If you want to improve your English language skills, then you should listen more and more English recordings, songs and movies. In the same way, if you want to improve your writing skills, then you should read more and more articles, newspapers and books in target language. Let's talk about speaking skills in more detail. If you want to be proficient in English language, then you are supposed to be fluent as well as accurate in English language. Fluency in English means that how fluent or fast you are in that language. On the other hand, accuracy in language means that how accurate or correct you are in grammar and sentence structure. If you acquire fluency as well as accuracy, it means that you have acquired proficiency in that language. Or, in other words, you are proficient in target language. So, it was today's lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.